Okay, so we got that out the way. I think what I'm gonna do is some more sounds of the mouth. But who knows? I do know one thing though. Processing. It might be processing. Progression. More than I've ever seen. Life, people. What do we have? Get another day to do what? Get another night to do what? What are we doing? What's the action, people? And then we start working. And it's like, okay, cool. We start working. We start plotting. We start thinking. Then it's a I. Then it's a you. Then they say it's a we, but it's too simple for them, so we just keep moving on. Something is out there. That's what they tell the people. And then I don't even ask the people. I say what? They say exactly. And I'm like, oh, okay. And then minds begin to, because they don't know what's going on. So we heal their pain. What is he on? It's just something. It's probably the vibrance and the force of your voice not listening to mine. That might be it. Or it might be the frequency. Either one, we kind of just get it together. And then y'all say, what's the point? What's the purpose? What is he on? He just be talking. I just don't get it. Advance through life, please. Maybe you will in time. All this nigga do is speak in parables. I'm really like this on the usual. It's just in my head. Nobody's that honest. Are you? Are you what? Are you gonna step aside? Are you gonna realize that it's 3 minutes and 8 seconds? 3 minutes and 16 seconds of a video? Do you have plans? Do you know what reality is? Do you know what opportunity is? Then we start asking more questions on your behalf, and you can't really. You trying to piece what I'm saying because you worried about where my hands going, and it's nothing too serious. What are you dependent on? He's so fake spiritual. Nah. Just trying to be grounded. Grounded? What? You have so much to learn. The whole time you just thinking too small. The whole time you're not seeing the bigger picture. This another one. You not seeing this, so it's realizing. Yes, I said it's realizing that you're not seeing it, so it's trying to make you see it, so you see it. Then eventually you see it. Do he really talk like that?